Hi, this is John Sowash, and in this video I'm going to show you how to utilize the recording feature for Google's Hangout Meet. Now, I'm recording this video during the great coronavirus school shutdown of 2020, and my hope is that this video will help you utilize tools like Google Hangouts to connect with your students even though you can't be with them in a physical traditional classroom. If you're brand new to Google Hangouts, I recommend you watch my Intro to Google Hangouts or Hangouts Meet to get started. This is going to look at some of the advanced features of Hangouts. Now, the recording feature that I'm going to be showing you in this video is a premium feature of Hangouts Meet. The good news is that Google has made this feature available to all school districts for free through July 1st, 2020. But your school admin, your IT admin, must enable the recording feature before you'll be able to use it. So if you don't see the record button that I'm going to show you here in just a second, you're going to need to email Ask Your IT Director to enable that feature. I'll put a link in the description to this video with instructions on how to turn it on. Now I'm going to show you how I set up a virtual session with my students. And we're actually going to start in Google Classroom. So this is my virtual learning course. I'm going to go into the classwork page, and I've set up, my goal is I'm going to be meeting with my students once a week on Wednesdays to have a little book discussion. So we're reading Fahrenheit 451 right now. Every week we're going to do a 30-minute live session and talk about one of the sections that we've been reading. Now, I am not a big fan of synchronous online learning, meaning I don't like when students are required to attend live sessions that are live streamed. I would encourage them to attend, but I don't require it. So first, let me take you into my assignment to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I schedule these in advance. Every Wednesday, 10 to 10:30, we do this. First virtual session, March 18th. Here's the discussion question. It is a required assignment, but not required to attend. Students will either attend the live session and participate in the discussion in live with me, or they will watch the recording and respond to me through a private comment to complete the assignment. Okay, so they have one of those two options. It's up to them which one they want to do. So I've already created the link to my Hangout session, my Meet session. I did that by going to meet.google.com, create that link, and get that and post that to Google Classroom. Again, watch my intro video for instructions on how to do that. I've just linked the Hangout link right there. So if students are joining at 10 a.m., they'll click that link, and that'll dump them into the session where they can participate with me live. So go ahead and jump in. Here we go. I'm in the live session. Now, this is very important. The recording does not happen automatically. You have to turn it on. So click the link, join your session, get yourself in, and then you're going to go over to the right corner. You're going to click those three dots, the snowman, I call it, and that's where you're going to see the record meeting option. Okay, you have to click that button in order to initiate the recording. We're going to click it, and then I'm going to wait for about 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, it takes about 5 seconds for the recording to actually start. So don't start talking, doing important stuff. In the top left corner, you're going to see the record button. Once you see that red button, you know you're ready to go and everything's being recorded. So again, it's very important you have to initiate the recording. If you don't see that record button, you need to contact your IT director to make sure that they turn it on. So we're going to go through our session. I'm going to chat with the students who join live, and then when we're done, we're going to hang up. We're going to stop that session. Now, you're not going to get any kind of notification. It's not going to tell you anything about the recording, but it's automatically going to be uploaded to a special folder in your Google Drive account. And that folder is called Meet Recordings. Okay, so that's my Drive folder, Meet Recordings. And that session, in just a few seconds, is going to go into that folder. Now remember, for my assignment, students need to either participate live, and I'm going to make a note of who was there live and make sure that they contributed to the discussion. But now that the meeting is done, I'm going to go ahead and attach that recording to the assignment so that students who didn't attend the live session are able to watch that recording. So I'm going to go back to that session, the virtual meeting session. I'm going to click Edit. I'm going to go down to the Add button, Add from Google Drive. And I'm going to look for that Meet recording session here. There we go. And I'm going to click on the link right there and add it. So now my students will be able to view that file. The recordings from Hangouts Meet are not automatically uploaded to YouTube. They're not automatically shared. They are private only to you, and you get to decide where they go and who has access to them. You can upload them to YouTube if you want, but they're in Drive. They'll play like a YouTube video. But it's probably not something you need to be publicly accessible, so I'm going to keep mine in Drive. So I'm going to click Save, and you'll see that video will appear. It's probably still processing. It'll take a few minutes. It'll probably take about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how long your virtual session was for that recording to be playable. So that's how I structure the virtual sessions for my students. I do like the opportunity to connect with students in real time to see how they're doing and chat with them. But I also recognize that schedules vary. There are different family dynamics at play, and not all students may be able to join at a particular time. And so the recording is available for those who weren't able to attend the live session. I'll leave some links in the description to this video to help you out. I'll give you a copy of my description for my Google Classroom assignment that you're welcome to use in your class. Good luck as you connect with your students.